AZTR stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So as I'm looking at Azitra Incorporated, Azitra stock, or however you pronounce it, the price is down 40%, and that's a big of an overkill, you know. Here's how my chart looked like before. Probably haven't made a video in a while. I said this when I actually made video yesterday. That's crazy. But yeah, we definitely delivered. You can watch my previous video and notice how I called things out. And then here's the new low that we have right now. Just to make it like to be clear, I never took no shorts here. My boss was just bearish and I wanted to see more lows being taken. Because I know like it was quite a contrary opinion, because the day before that we went 50% up and I was getting dislikes, you know, hate. And guess what happened today? Yeah, right. I'm not getting in a rush. The only thing that I really care about is, again, this being right and me sticking to my edge, because this is the only thing that I've seen working for me after refining it for 4 years. So it's still a bearish range trend. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter for me.